everyone, this is Ina with Innichka Chef and welcome to my kitchen. Today on episode we are making hot chocolate drink with orange flavor and mushroom powder. And for the ingredients we need obviously milk, and you can use any milk you like. Sometimes I use dairy milk, but today we use non-dairy milk. And for hot chocolate I like to use combination of almond milk and coconut milk. I like to add coconut milk for the creaminess and rich and so delicious flavor. It's so satisfying drink. And for the almond milk, I like to use my homemade. And today I'm going to show you how to make quick and easy homemade almond milk. Another ingredients what we need is obviously cocoa, and I use organic, good quality cocoa powder raw, and I will link below about which kind I use. And did you know, by the way, cocoa actually fermented. If it's good quality cocoa, the way they produce its beans has been fermented. So I'm big lover of fermented foods, so I love to use cocoa product a lot in my cooking. Another ingredients, it's a dark chocolate bar. I use an Rocca brand. It's organic chocolate. I will link below which one, but you can use any one you like or any one you have on your hand. And for the sweetness, I like to use maple candy. It's 100% maple syrup, or you can use maple sugar, or whichever you prefer. That's what I'm going to use. Little bit of ginger, ground ginger, little bit of Celtic salt, cinnamon. I love cinnamon, can't get enough cinnamon. And obviously for the orange flavor we'll need oranges. One of my secret ingredients, which is make very, I would say healthy, this hot chocolate, it's a mushroom powder. It's so much rich in antioxidants and vitamin B and D and many different minerals. Mushroom, it's good for you, and I promise you will not even taste those mushroom powder in your hot chocolate. I always make my almond milk. It's so easy, so simple. All you need 1 cup of almonds, and you need soak. Sometimes I do overnight or just few hours, up to 4 or 6 hours. I soaked 1 date and pinch of Celtic salt. That's it. Let's do it. I already soaked and rinsed, so it's ready to go. 1 date, and you need to peel. You don't want any stone here. And pinch of salt. Little bit of water. We're using 6 cups of water, 6 cups. And just to start going, I usually add only 1 cup. Now all you need to do is just sift. It's so easy. In 30 seconds later we have almond milk, beautiful, and leftover almonds. And I'm not going to throw away. I'm going to use for cooking. I like to add to my oatmeal or many other recipes. But today we won't worry about this part, only milk. So milk go back to the blender. And now to the blender we add coconut milk, full fat, regular milk. And slowly bring to boil, but we do not boil. And zest of orange. While our milk is steeping with orange peel, I would like to microwave the chocolate. So after milk been steeping for 10 minutes, I think the orange peel did the job, so it's time to remove. You don't need. And now all I need to do, just add all the ingredients together and let boil one more time. Chocolate in, melted chocolate, And I like to use dark, so rich. Cocoa powder. Mushroom powder, 1 scoop. Pinch of ginger and pinch of salt. So after we add the maple sugar, all we need to do, wait when it's completely dissolved, which just shouldn't take more than 1-2 minutes or so, and we are ready to taste it. I wish you can smell and see how rich and creamy this chocolate. So good, so good. Still steamy hot, but I will try to drink and taste. So good. Orange and dark chocolate. What can be bad? Oh, it's so nice and rich, creamy. It's just what I needed. It's so cold outside. It's delicious. I hope you give it to try this recipe soon. And make sure check in description below for full recipe. And give me a like if you like this recipe. And subscribe if you haven't. Bye. See you next time.